everyone. In our discussion of national park, today we will be covering state of Arunachal Pradesh. It is having two important national park, that is your Muleng National Park in the northern part and your Namdapha National Park in the southern, or you can say easternmost margin of India. If we talk about Namdapha National Park, it is forming an international border, or it is located in the international border area of India and Myanmar. It is in the Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh. The river Noha Dihang, which is a turbulent river in this part, is flowing through this national park. The name of this national park comes from the Namdapha river that originates from this particular national park in the Dapham Boom. The Dapham Boom as well as Mishi Hills and Patkai range located nearby this particular national park. If we talk about kind of vegetation that we can find in this area is your evergreen forest, moist deciduous forest, subtropical forest, temperate forest and alpine forest depending upon the variation of elevation. As I told you, in the lower area you will get the evergreen type of forest, whereas we talk about the great height we will find alpine kind of forest. Now there is a rare or endangered orchid that is found in this area, that is blue vanda. That is your blue vanda. Mishmi tita is a local medicinal plant that is found in this area. Beside that we can find only ape species of tailless lock gibbon, and beside that we can find tiger, leopards, snow leopards, clouded leopards in this area, and other than that we can also find endangered and rare species of white winged wood. So, and also your great hornbills that can also be found in this area. So that's it about the Namdapha National Park. Now let's talk about the Muleng National Park that is also located in this area. So it is located in the Upper Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh and Muleng Peak se iska naam aaya Muleng National Park. If we talk about Siang river is on the left side, or you can say it is located on the right bank of the Siang river. जो आपकी दाबुंग और निर्बुंग दो important waterfall हैं that are located in this particular part, and kind of forest which we can find in this area are tropical evergreen, tropical semi-evergreen, subtropical and temperate broadleaf forest that can be found in this area. Now further, if we talk about kind of animal which we can find in this area, as this area is having high biodiversity, we can find endemic golden langur in this part, that is hornbill in this particular part, clouded leopard, sharrow that can be found in this particular national park. Beside that, tiger, red panda, elephant, hawk deers, barking deers, panthers, sambar, wild buffalo, pythons etc. can be found in this national park. So this is all about the national park, Muleng National Park, and every national park located in Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot.